Hello and welcome to How Do Machines Work. We are living in a programmed world with machines becoming an integral part of our lives. Hair dryer is one such essential machine used by most of us. We see power cable, temperature switch, power switch, cool shot, removable cover, air outlet. Have you ever thought of what is inside of your hair dryer? Let's get into an understanding about what is inside hair dryer and how hair dryer functions. A hair dryer, also known as a blow dryer, is an electrical device used to dry and style hair. It uses an electric fan to blow air across a heating coil. As the air passes through the dryer, it heats up. When the warm air reaches wet hair, it helps evaporate the water. Hair dryers use a metal heating element that is made of an alloy of nickel and chromium. Unlike other electrical wires made of copper, nickel and chromium will not rust at high temperatures. This wire looks like a coiled spring and may be up to 12 inches long. Firstly, power is fed through the cable when plugged in. Motor speed is controlled by a three-way switch. Current is passed on to motor and heating coil. In motor, electrical energy is converted to mechanical rotation, while in heating coil, electric energy is converted into heat energy. When motor is rotating, atmospheric air is drawn in and passed over hot coil to give hot air an outlet grill in opposite direction to cool the hair. This is the basic working principle of hair dryer.